Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check to see if your eSIM is activated on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing, and this is the easiest, is just swipe down from the top right. And you can see at the top left, it says AT&T and Wi-Fi, and it has some bars. Now, just turn airplane mode on to disconnect from everything. And then turn airplane mode back off, and you should be able to see it should pop up with your carrier and some bars. That's one indication that your eSIM is working and activated. However, there's other places to check as well. Let's go into the settings app of your phone. Oh, let me go back to the beginning. From the beginning of the settings, you're going to scroll down and tap on General here, and then tap on About. From About, you'll be able to see as I scroll down, it says eSIM on here. If you see a network and a carrier, IMEI2, ICCID, that's another indication that the eSIM is up and running and active. However, that doesn't necessarily mean it's working. Let's check your eSIM by going back to the beginning of your settings. So hit back and back again. And now you can see here is cellular. Let's just tap on cellular. And now if I scroll down, there is my eSIM. It says AT&T, that is my carrier. And turn this line on, here's delete eSIM. If it's not working for you, you can toggle it off. You can see just like that, it is disabled this eSIM. But I can tap on it and re-enable it. You'll be able to see at the top right here, those dots will then turn on to SOS. And then after that, it will start to get the signal. You can see it pops up with 3 bars. Again, I can swipe down from the top right, and you can see AT&T has been initiated. Those are good indications that your eSIM is up and running, but let's check to make sure it is actually working. To do that, we're going to hop out of here, swipe down from the top right, and we're going to turn Wi-Fi off. After we've turned Wi-Fi off, you'll be able to see at the top right, it says 5G, indicating that it is disabled the Wi-Fi and now it's just connected to your carrier. Let's open up a web browser and just go to, let's say, youtube.com to check to see if it loads. That's a good indication that your carrier signal is sending data to your phone to be able to open up websites, to make text messages, all that stuff. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is opening up the phone app, and you can just dial 611 and hit call. If you'll be able to dial that and actually hit call, and it actually calls, again, that's another indication that your eSIM is up and running, both for phone calls as well as text messages, as well as the internet. If you're still running into issues, the next thing I would recommend doing is just turning your phone off, then on again. You can do that by pressing and holding the side button and the volume up. And you can see I can just choose to slide to power off. This will turn my phone off and then just turn it back on. And that eSIM should be up and running and working normally. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.